Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have this dog Playpens, and it has 24 8-inch panels, and we're going to set this thing up here. I'm going to just put it down on the ground here as I take all the pieces and parts out, and you'll see what it is. So let me grab it out of here. Out of the box. So this is what it's going to look like coming out of the box. It's just a big metal bunch of stuff. So we'll set this up here. So we're going to have to cut all these. I'll use the scissors. There. Here's our instructions for it. Let me aim you down a little so you can actually see what's going on. So here we go. There's a lot of ties. Okay. So there's a panel. Here's some more panels. Okay. More panels. Lots of panels and parts. We're going to have a gate in here as well. Put that over here. And then another 4 panels here. So, okay. And then more bars. Okay, so here's all our pieces and parts. So let's show you guys how we can put this thing together. It should be pretty self-explanatory, I guess. Let me just look at this here. Yeah, pretty much. It will just be what it is. So if I go here to here, we have the bars will go in there to there. So there. So when it's on the ground, it's like that. And then we can stake it into the ground like that. So let's go ahead and set more of this up. Get rid of some of this trash. On top. Actually, I'll put the door there. What do you think, Penny? Good girl. Good girl, Penny. Penny. Good girl. Good girl. Look at this. Look at this, Penny. Come here. Come here, sweetie. Come here, Penny. Okay, so now we have it set up here. Let me aim it back a little bit here so you guys can see. It's pretty flexible in shape and size and stuff that you can do with it. And then we can open it up. Over here, there's a little latch. So we can open it up and bring our little puppy inside. Come here, Penny. Penny, good girl. Good girl. Oh, look at you. Oh, let's see. So for Penny, this is the perfect size. So the way it kind of works here, just close that, the door closes. Then she's stuck inside her little cage. So this will be nice for when I want to leave and leave her alone to fend for herself. She can have some space. Look at that. How cute is that? Do you like that, Penny? It's your place. It's for you. Well, that's what it looks like here. So I like it. Thumbs up. Super easy to put together. I just want to say she likes being in there, even with the door open. She just likes to be in there. She likes her little areas. Don't you, Penny? You like your little places. Yes, you do. She likes it.